Wow. You understand? You know how much I'm supposed to screen record for you? Oh God. Yo. So I want to make sure everybody look good with me I do, right? So all of the people them are they here, them are gonna screen record and all these things. Alright? So look. I say if you can see the screen. When I see the screen, if you not see that screen, I just say yes. So when I want nobody tell me say something different. When I see the screen, when I notice when I say edit profile and all them something here, so when I see it, right? So call and all these things. So nobody can say whatever. So when I say edit profile, promotion, everything, right? Alright. Look, you know. Come now, I'm gonna further. I'm gonna where else? When nobody says so now look. Home button. Right? Go in at this. So when you see right in at this, I type in CVM. See them come up at top. I type in. You see what I type in? And what do you guys see when I type it in? That's what I see, right? Hold on, let me see if it focused good. Alright, see it focused then now. Wanna see it? Hold on, let me take my phone up on battery mode, that's why. Alright, I'm gonna take it off. And it turn up. So see it here. Them say them can't see good. Alright, I say I can turn it around to the back camera. How this go? How? Look. I know it well focus. I come out at the name. I'm going to type in the name again. CVM. And you see for them name come up at top. Right? At Sunrise. And that's what came up. When you see this come up? Alright. We'll go on profile. So we'll go on profile. So now see, we'll go up on them profile, right? So everything is here. Alright. It says message. It says message. Message. I want to see come in. So now exactly see what it say. You understand? Basically, you want to see exactly what it says. So, I mean, alright? So, they make that post there so we go up on them story, right? So, these are the things that they post even in their story from in the morning. You understand? But I really think the situation is that whoever send the message, them never know say them logging in at the profile that them logging at. That was the whole case. But we really want to know why that derogative message. Me know the dreamers them wanna feel offended just the same. Wanna feel bad because that is something we really consider as disrespect when it come on to Jamaica. You understand? Yeah, it's I think really that when I can tag them, cause them really need for them can address the situation like today still. Let's see if I them I send my request. We're not gonna add nobody to the live, so I don't want nobody to send me any requests. So basically everybody see it. So I like Nobody can get up and say Jamaica don't really have hackers. I can't think of that. Why? So why your profile? Like, look how much other people like they out there. Why you using the CVM Sunrise? Why never use like the main page? And if it's a situation, I can say like, what? Really? If somebody that got at them, why never at them main page, them bigger page? Then that not make no sense. Like, whoever control them social media, literally things say they might be logging in a for them page, and when them log in a for them page, them never realize, them just send the message out of upset. I don't know what them upset. Yeah, hackers are everywhere, but what I'm saying, okay then, let's be realistic. We want to be realistic. We don't want to think dumb. We type in them name. Them have 7,000 other followers, right? For what's the CVM TV television. Like this one has 27k follower. Like this don't make no sense. If me I gotta ask something why would act your bigger page will have more follower, that can't make sense. When you think about the logics. Like no. But why them not at the other page too? If they're hacking, why them not at the other page? Them I forgot sure say hack it hack. But even if your page hack, how you end up get for really you release that statement so fast? Like really? So guys, so it's somebody says CNN. Yo, this bad. It's Megalicious. Guys, go follow Megalicious for all your skincare products. So yeah, when I see my face. My fresh face from morning and all these things. Who did it on live last night. When you see my face, the only difference is that I did have an eyelash. So yes, this is my real face. And yes, our products do work. So guys, that's a wrap. We're gonna save the live. We're gonna make a post so everybody can share them all views under it. Alright?